So slippery! Yeah. I didn't see that.
Okay, so today we're going to go to Palau Waterfall. Should be fun with my mate Chris again. So going to go and meet him down on by the. He's got a little motorbike he's rented, so I'll go and meet him by the bike and grab mine. And I think it's about an hour's drive up there to the national park, Palau Waterfall. So yeah, we'll do a little hike up through the jungle. Should be some elephants, maybe some monkeys and different bits. Should be fun. So okay, let's get going. And by the way, you've got to excuse this silly thing on my head. Yesterday at the Monkey Mountain, yeah, I wore a hat for majority of the day, but my shiny head just got a bit burnt. So anyway, let's get going. Okay, so pretty much ready to go with my pal Chris. How you feeling, Chris?
Feeling good, excited.
You ready for the waterfall, yeah? He's looking pretty dapper with his GoPro style camera strapped on his helmet. Okay, we stopped. We're almost at Palau Waterfall, but we've just stopped for a bite to eat. It's been a long, hot journey. My friend Chris had a little slight accident. In fact, I nearly did. There was a slanted corner, I nearly lost control, and then him behind almost lost control. And then when he got off the bike, he tried to basically walk with the bike, and the throttle was so sensitive that he ended up the bike was so sensitive that the throttle was so sensitive that basically the bike got away from him, as they do, probably happened hundreds of times. And yeah, it pulled him to the ditch and he's scratched his eye and nose. So it could have been a lot worse, but thankfully we're both okay and the bike's okay. So I say we just stopped at this place, quick bite to eat. There's the menu. And this is the view. What a nice little cafe. In fact, what's this called? The name of the Palau Cafe. Okay, Palau. This is that beautiful, beautiful sounds of Thai nature. And that bird you will hear anywhere in Thailand where there isn't much concrete, you will hear that bird, 100%. Chris is having a little swing. Yeah. How's your eye? I just told him the story about what happened, but
yeah, it was fun.
Just have a little look at his face. Look, he's had a few bit of a war, but no, it's not. I've
been in the wars actually since arriving. Yeah, it was a good lesson.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, no, it was for both of us. Yeah, so here we go, look at this beauty, absolutely stunning. So we're going to eat a curry and then we're going to get on to the waterfall. So we'll catch up with you then. I've got limited, a little bit of limited sort of data. I need to sort it out really. Filming in 4K, it means that it doesn't leave much on my SD card, so more SD cards need to be got. Okay, catch up with you soon when we get to the waterfall, I would think. Approaching. I have to say hello. So I mean these beautiful people here at the cafe. They're doing missionary work, so teaching, and have been for 40 years. Can you just introduce yourselves quickly for us, please? Thank you.
My wonderful wife for 52 years, my girlfriend also.
Fantastic.
My name is Shonda.
Shonda.
And I'm
beautiful.
Jim.
And this is Jim, and lovely people. It's been a pleasure meeting you two and just finding out a little bit that you've been doing this work, teaching English for 40 years.
Well, since 1985, teaching the Bible, and we've taught English. Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So thank you for your work.
You're welcome.
I think that's
wonderful to meet some nice Brits.
Thank you. Beautiful, lovely to meet you. Yanks, of course.
Yes,
yeah, of course. Okay, we have arrived, and amazing journey. Really, really dense forest. So I'm going to flip you around now. You can see the height on that mountain in front of us. Yeah, so we're at as far as you can ride to, Palau Waterfall. Here's my mate, Chris, just sorting his bits out.
Set up.
And then here's a little tourist information. This is the map, I guess. So you got 15 tiers, and today we definitely will not be doing all 15. We'll see how we go. Right, and so some information. Pavement is slippery when wet. Underwater there are many rocks. Do not play. Okay. In the water carelessly. Okay. Don't allow children to swim alone. Visit the waterfall as usual up to the 5th level. Guess after that it becomes really challenging. About ready to get walking. Okay, so we're in, and this is the beginning. Thankfully it starts downhill, which is nice. And I'm just going to flip you around then and show you the beginning of the journey. Look at the size of these fan leaves. What do you call that? I don't know, but that is impressive. Waterfall would make sense, wouldn't it? Okay, let's keep going. Can you catch the butterflies? Swarms of black butterflies, and they have blue, black and blue. Beautiful. I'm not sure how much you can see on the camera, but wow. So peaceful already. Well, at least there's some water. That's a good sign.
Wanna pop down?
It'd be nice to have a dip at the end, wouldn't it?
Oh, I want to dip, yeah, fairly soon, but maybe just not here.
Yeah. Oh, you taking swimming stuff with you?
Yeah, I've got my swimming trunks on underneath. With my shorts, just my Speedos, mate. My granddad's Speedos, they're horrible. But still, I'm going to use them. Right. This is, yeah, stunningly beautiful though already. Very nice.
Oh, I might have to catch you up.
Why's that?
Well, I haven't got any swimmers on. I've left them in the thing.
Oh, you've left them in the bike. I see what you mean. It's up to you, man. I'm happy to sit and wait if that's what you want to do.
You don't sit and wait, just take it slow, innit?
Oh, kind of have to be a bit careful of snakes and scorpions and things, as you can see. This kind of, I mean, you're in the jungle here, so yeah, you've got to be a bit careful. Okay. I'm just taking a quick break. Friend Chris has gone back because he forgot his swimming trunks in his bike, so he's just gone to pick those up, and then we shall continue. But it's nice to have a rest. Look at this. Look at the roots on this tree here. Incredible, right? Incredible. So what a nice environment just to relax in. Recommend this to anybody who's in Puchap, Kerikan area, or not. But if it's you know, less than 2 hours, I think it's worth the trip. Here's my mate Chris, just making his way. A white Buddha Jedi. I just said you're just looking like a Jedi. I said here's my mate Chris the Jedi. So Mr. Allen has arrived. He's got his swimming shorts and we're all good.
Yeah, I got kicked in the face by Yoda.
Is that what happened?
Yeah, Yoda kicked me in the face.
Yeah. Looks like he'd come on your face at the same time.
But he's got no, it would be green. It'd be green.
It would be green. Yeah, probably would be green. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we're about 10 minutes in past the first waterfall, and so we've come to the second one, I guess. And look at the amount. Look how beautiful it is, and look how many fish. I can't believe, and they're a good sized fish, hundreds. So I don't know if they're spawning. I don't even know what type of fish they are. But here we go. I don't think I'll swim in there just yet. It's, they're a bit too big for comfort. And actually when you sit here by the water, it's a few degrees cooler. Just the flow of the water, you just get like a nice breeze, and it's just ideal just to take a quick break at these pools. Oh, fantastic. More butterflies over there, I don't know if you can see them. Okay, here we are, we're at the 4th level. In 150 metres we will be actually. going at a slow pace. It's good, it's good. And now there seems with the sun's, we've got no sun coming in, which is good because it's that little bit cooler. Look at all these root systems just all interwoven. Oh, actually helps make some steps. Oh.
Yeah, it's like they've partly naturally, partly from people walking, isn't it?
I guess.
I feel like they cut them in actually.
Yeah, they've utilised what's there in some way. I don't know exactly how, with a shovel I suppose. But yeah, when it's wet maybe it's easy. In the rainy season I guess this is all sludge.
Yeah, I wouldn't fancy that job.
It's getting a bit dense in here. We're coming like away from the waterfall slightly, which is why it's a bit darker, but it's nice.
Way. Go around, go in. Anyone got a fan?
Okay, so this bit, I think this is like the 5th or 6th here, and
I think we're only on the 4th, aren't we?
no, the 4th was the last one, I think. Yeah, 5th, next one's the 5th. So we're coming up to the 5th level now. I'm going to spin you around. It's getting a little bit more challenging, so let's have a look. But yeah, I think we'll probably settle up and have a quick swim at this next tier. So let's have a look. Sorry if the filming's not too great. I'm having to look where I'm going at the same time. And so. Crocs are doing a good job here, look. They're doing a fine job. I have to say, oh, there's a path this way. Makes more sense. Okay. So I think we'll walk on the roots and then. Wow. Looks like there's a swarm of butterflies. I don't know if that's the right word. Okay. Oh, right, okay. Can't get across there. So we've got to go across here. This bit's a bit dodgy because you've got to get across running water and it looks slippery. Ah! Good.
I didn't see that was wet. I was looking at you.
Okay, so I think I'm going to take a dip in this pool here. Chris, this is perfect. This is our swimming pool for the next half an hour before we return to the base. I'm going to get in my Speedos, my 100 baht Speedos, cheap Charlie remember, and get in this refreshing, beautiful waterfall. Wow.
Good, cold. Yeah, it's freezing. Oh, beautiful. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. I want to put my face in, but I'm a bit worried about that cut on my head.
They're good. They're good for it.
Is that good? Yeah. I suppose it's clean water, isn't it?
Cool.
Oh, slippery, mate. Not be careful. Not like climb up here. Woo. Not be careful, man. Oh, no. Woo. Woo. Mate, the fish, man. Fucking hell, mate. Fucking hell, man. Hey, let me get my camera in here. That'll be brilliant. I'll be over there. Wait. Got my goggles in my bag and I didn't bring them in the bag of the bike. Didn't see what's going on. I mean, it's so slippery. Let's take you for a swim. We've got enough footage.
Okay, I think we're about on the second or third tier, second I think. So we're getting there. On our way back, obviously. Sugar pie, honey. Okay, that's basically it. We're back safe now to where we started, almost at the beginning, and we're going to go and get the bike. Got the 1.5 hour ride back, so that'll be a challenge. As I was saying, been a brilliant day, and I think we both think so. Chris, you had a good day?
Beautiful day, beautiful swim, cooled down in the water at the end of it, and yeah, ready for a nice ride back.
Hour and a half.
Worth a visit.
Bless him, look at his
Oh
his
yeah,
wound.
a safe ride back.
Cool, mate.
See ya.
And but yeah, what a brilliant day, what a lovely trek, and I'd recommend Palau Waterfalls to anybody who just fancies seeing beautiful nature or loves challenging treks. Yeah, because we got to level 5, it's tier 5, and there's 15, so for a lot of people that will be a real good challenge. Yeah, brilliant day. Thank you for watching Jenks Travel, and we'll be bringing you the next video, next adventure very soon. Thanks for watching, take care. We're just riding back now, sun's setting, but beautiful views. Just to show you, just spin the camera. Sun's setting over there. Hey, it's been, and what beautiful landscape this area has. Definitely recommend touring around this area. Okay, gonna carry on with the journey now. Catch you next time.